Maranga, isa sa mga umi-score for team ng City Engineering Basketball. Maranga, 7 seconds on the 7 seconds remaining. What a beautiful speed. Paredes, good! The third quarter. Oh, iwan play. Ang mga tirada, mga dribble na parang Garmon Court. Binigay kay Kagiwa. Basketball count at may ara mga foul. Alright, mapagpalang gabi, I'm your official barker for tonight. Ako si Owen at welcome tayo sa ating opening quarter. Ang first at ating pong nangyayaring basketball actions. Okay, first quarter is underway with 7 minutes and 12 seconds to go. First, good for 2 points. Unang 2 puntos mga kaibigan. At medyo na-deflect mga kaibigan dahil malaking mamang Lasso yung kanyang nasa front. Lasso, muling mambabraso, the big ball. Good for 2 points, Lasso. Right the end. Hamandre, kick out, sa gitna, Palmes. Titignan natin kung hindi maglilitis. Butas, good for 2 points by Palmes. Masalamat sa mga masisigasig po natin mga officials from the office ng ating pong City Sports. Paredes, pinagpag yung malaking tao ng sino natin kung sino magiging successful sa plano ng City Engineering at kalaban naman nga po itong CTMO. Fadeaway shot, Palmes, good for 2 points. Ibaranga, binigyan bola kay De Jesus. Setting back for Palmes. Mula sa bandang Wakali, PPF. Nice move. Good for 2 points by Palmes. Na City Engineering laban sa team ng CMO Knights. With 3 minutes and 14 seconds to go. We're still on the opening period ng ating ball game. A blind pass and a jumper. Good for 2 points. Number 11 for CMO. Dalawang free throws para kay Paredes. Number 32 at the line. Paredes sa first shot. Huyan po natin nanonood po dyan. Magandang gabi po sa ilang mga matang sumisilip sa ating pong unang laro. Dahil sa parang sa natitira. Opening period pa lamang po ito. 4 puntos. Ang itong abante. Dadagdagan pa yan. Magiging 6 na puntos na pumamay. 2 minutes and 3 seconds to go for quarter number 1. Almost went up and Tabige, good for 2 points. 1 minute and 21. Yung natitirang oras for quarter number 1. The first free throw. Last in the final free throw by Maranga, jersey number 10. Good for 2 points. 20 seconds to go. Shot clock is already off. And Tabige, binigyan bola kay Tapalya. Benga, Tapalya, 2 points. Ng CMO. At yun nga, dahil out of shooting, Maranga, muling papasyalan yung ating libre niya. For City Engineering. At yun dito ang unang team foul dito sa ating first half, second quarter. Quarter number 2, half number 1, 11 against 15 in favor by only 4 points. Itong City Engineering at nakumpleto yung dalawa. At Sir Ong doesn't work. This time, recovering 14 ng CMO. Bounce pass sa bandang kanan. Pupukol. Good for 2 points. 14 against 15. Down by Wek. At yun, tuluyan nga pong nasupalpal at nakuha ng kalaban mga kaibigan. Number 5, going for number 6. Basketball count for CMO. Change favor na po tayo. By team ng CTMO. Iyan po yung binago nitong Mamang Cervantes. Simpleng pukol from the top of the rainbow. It's good! Bang! 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 3 points! And the 2 points by your team. City Engineering pa rin laban sa team ng CMO. Ang score po natin, nagaba 18 against 6 minutes and 48 remaining time. Last in the final free throw, Cervantes, good for 1 point. Block. Dalawang beses nang nabablanka itong si Sir Ong, 14 ng City Engineering. Cervantes one-handed. Lugod by Cervantes. Inside. Working from Dalo. Good for 2 points. Hamandre, shot clock is down. But recovery for team ng CMO, Cervantes. Good for 2 points. And the 2 points back to Princesa City Mayor. No other than Lucilo Pero. 3 minutes and 21 seconds to go. Ong jumper. Nakabawi na yung kanilang dalawang supalpal mga kaibigan. 3 minutes and 18 seconds to go. Cervantes. Underhanded bullet pass. Going to his teammate. Pero abay maniobra. Supalpal by Ong. Jumper from Dalo. 2 points. And the 2 points pocket by one jersey number Cervantes. Baseball pass. There's number 12. Isilay. Good for 2 points. Nagmadali. But connected shot there. 14 na CMO. 25 against 20. Limang puntos. De Jesus. Ganda na step back. Step back na mala. Step curry. De Jesus. Bang! 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 3 points. And that fantastic fadeaway shot connecting 3 points by De Jesus was brought to us by City Engineering. Fadeaway shot, Mangga na naman, good for 2 points. Parang papiso-piso with 2 minutes and 10 seconds to go. 27-23. Apat na puntos ang abante ng Zimo. Lamos sa Tina City Engineering. Vanessa try to connect from the top. Vanessa, 3 points. Bawi yan. Umuulan ng tatluhan. Wala nang ulan sa labas ng palaruan. Pero ang City Engineering, abay unti-unti po nagpapaulan for the second quarter. Good for the boss by jersey number 12. 14 ng CMO. Time left, 1 minute and 40. Napakasayang bakbakan na. Vanessa inside going for Ong. Hindi magsasayang ng pasay itong good for 2 points by Ong. 1 minute and 33 seconds to go. Lagari din by jersey number 5. Basketball count for CMO. Palitan na deflect at makukuha nitong Mangga, the big bow. Bounce pass, sinig to his teammate. Ang may sapatos na lakas Makaleni Robredo. Tuloy-tuloy po yung pag-abante dito. Remaining time, 1 minute and tayo na isang minutong natitira ng ating second quarter with only 28 seconds to go. Mangga, bullseye for 3 points. May bukas on the shot clock. 17 seconds remaining time runner para sa ating second quarter clock. 11 seconds to go. Off the window. Basketball count again for CMO. 7 seconds remaining. Ariniego, magandang gabi po. And shoutout na po sa kanyang idol na si Palmes. Good for 2 points by Ong for team ng City Engineering. Pinigay kay Cervantes on the front court. Cervantes almost lost the cutter. Recover by Cervantes. Lasso chase on. Punch it in for 2 points. Walang mawala mga kaibigan. Wala dito may Lasso. 40. Score po natin. 42 against 30. Steal and jumper, good for 2 points by Tabige. PPCWD, magandang gabi. Shots and shoot, bang! 2 points. Napakasimple na ginagawang pagpukol ng team ng CMO. Tirano lagi natin nakakasama before sa ating mga big time league na mga kapanahunan dito sa ating pong Baywalk. But Tabige, wake away from downtown. Tabige, bang! 3 points! Kakapusin din yung banat nito, Sir JR. Stepping out, Tabige, sending back for JR. Inlaso the big bow, getting in. And Cervantes finishes good for 2 points for Zimo. Maraming nang returning to score in favor by 17 points. Cervantes cuts and shoot by Tamala. And then JR. Ating CGPP basketball tournament. Maranga good. Zimo, nagmamadali patungo sa kanilang front court. Looking for his squad. And Kagiwa, back in shot. Bang! Good for 2 points. Kagiwa! And live, pakishare or pakilike at pakishare yung ating Facebook Live para makita nila na ganito sinusuportahan sa lungsod ng Puerto Princesa ang ating Enter 8 minutes for the third quarter. Oh! Iwan play. Ang mga tirada, mga dribble na parang gamon court. Binigay kay Kagiwa. Basketball count at may ara pang foul. Good for 2 points. Runner. 1 minute and 8 seconds to go. 57-33 score in favor team CMO. But in front, sa harap ng mata ng depensa, good for 2 points by Maranga. 57. Bumasket there, 14 ng CMO. Palmes sa bounce pass. Maranga, isa sa mga umi-score. 14 ng City Engineering. Basketball count and the foul. And 57-37. 20 points. Down by 19 points. 19 at maraming salamat sa panonood dito sa ating opening game. 21 seconds to go. Kagiwa jumper, 2 points. Kagiwa, 59 against B. Maranga, 7 seconds on the 7 seconds remaining. What a beautiful speed. Paredes, good for 2 points. 2 seconds to go. At mamaya po, abangan yung ating magandang bakbakan. Coming up next, our next game, ang bakbakan ng City Bet. Makakalaban po nila ang team ng TMF. 8 seconds to go. This is the last in the final quarter. Get ready, yung ating pong last game. Outside jumper, bang, 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 3 points! 3-pointer, in and out. 6 minutes and 39 seconds ang natitirang oras para sa ating 40 na final quarter. Ang mamama, yung malaking mama, kay Jason Lasso. Basketball count and a foul. Foul against wearing jersey number 2. Hanggang makukuha nitong Vanessa, going for the Paredes. Attack off the glass. Good for 2 points by Paredes. Remaining time, 5 minutes. Defense, CMO! 4 minutes and 20 remaining time. A pump in the shot. Paredes knocks it in again. Muling kumatok ng Pins. 4 na minuto ang ating pong natitirang oras. Jason Lasso working from Davao. Kontra sa team ng City Engineering. Ay Cervantes, extra pass, Taguas, bingo, 2 points again. Sa ating susunod na laban. 3 minutes and 20. A jumper for 2 points, bingo. Good for 2 points by Palmes. 3 minutes and laban sa team ng City Engineering with 3 minutes and 1 second remaining time, 3 minutos. May follow-up, dinadaan sa pagiging malaking mama, walang nagagawa. At nakatunganga lang itong mga defender habang tinitignan ang mga posting palekong si Jason Lasso. Good for 2 points, Amante! Mayor Lucido Bayron. Time remaining, 1 minute and 43. Palmes for 3. Palmes, it's good for 3 points. 1 minute and 24 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 6. Perimeter J off the window. Cervantes knocks it in. Isang magandang Iwanisa ngayon. May tanabuko pa doon sa kalang front court pero kinukulit pa ng Tabige. And inside, 2 points. 10-15.